We're changing all the rear bulbs on the Ford Ka. So the lights that we've got on the driver's side are the fog light, side light, stop and tail, which doubles as the brake light, and the indicator in the centre. On the passenger side, where the fog light would be, we've got the reverse light. And then of course we've got the number plate bulbs, which are under here. To change the rear bulbs that are part of the rear light assembly, we need to remove the light assembly completely. To do so, we've just got these two 10mm bolts. We don't have to do anything inside the car. So now, there are just two lugs holding the light in position. If the light hasn't been off for a few years, it will be very, very difficult to remove it, which I've already found out. I have tried lubricating the lugs, which I'll show you, but it requires a lot more force than you would think isn't going to break something. So that's where the lugs go into. I've lubricated them, so obviously when you refit the fitting, you can lubricate them too. Remove the wiring connector. Okay. So put the fitting down somewhere safe, where it's not going to get damaged. And to remove the bulb holder part, we've got 4 crosshead screws. So now we can remove the bulb holder. So this is the top of the light fitting, this is the bottom, and this is the stop and tail bulb, which we are replacing on this car. It's blown. The stop and tail bulb is a P21/5W, and they're all bulbs that just push and twist to remove. But the indicator, which is a PY21W, we've got the side light, which for some reason is a P21/5W twin element bulb, but it's only operating as a side light. I've checked this on both sides of the car, and I've checked the bulb. The bulb is capable of lighting up as a brake light, but for some reason it's wired up to only be a side light. And at the bottom we've got the reverse light if it's the passenger side, and the fog light if it's the driver's side, which is a P21W bulb. So this is the new bulb for the stop and tail. They can only go in one way because they've got offset pins, and you just push and twist to refit. And now refit the bulb holder, put the screws back in and replace it on the car. Right, so we've lubricated the little rubber bungs that the light presses into, refit the connector. Just push the light fitting into position and refit the two 10mm bolts. So finally we've got the number plate light bulbs, which are here and here. They're pointing, the fittings are pointing in opposite directions. So for the left hand one, we just need to press this tab here, pull the fitting down and out, twist the bulb holder, and we've just got a W5W wedge bulb or a 501. Insert this side of the fitting first, and then just push the other side back into position.